She's finally here. Oh my God, finally getting picked up and about to head to Daytona. So I'll come back when I'm in the car. So we're currently at the gas station before we head on the road. So yeah.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you knocking off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out.
So y'all, I'm at Walmart. I'm gonna get some groceries from my dorm. So
Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E.
They have other ones on the other side. They're trying to see. They usually have. No, this one was a
be driving reckless, especially in Volusia County. They don't be caring. I know. I see. We did park in front of home. Hey, I'm finally back in my dorm. My freaking key. Had thinking that you unlocked your door, it died. Like it died. Like I was locked out for the longest, and I just got somebody to open it. On top of my bathroom door, like where the dorms connect. So like if I needed to, I can go through my suite mate's dorm, go to the bathroom and get to my dorm. My bathroom door that's to my room was locked. So like I just literally got in my dorm from waiting so long. So they're gonna fix it, do whatever they need to do to like fix my dorm, whatever. I'm tired because I've been running up and down stairs, you know, because the elevator just too slow for me. Like I couldn't wait for an elevator. So like, yeah, so now I'm finna go get my groceries out of my band sister's dorm. She let me put my stuff in there until I got my dorm open. So I'm gonna go do that real quick. You know, gotta leave a shoe in the door. Hope don't move.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my face, sending action. These days no kumaye.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my face, sending action. These days no kumaye.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my face, sending action. These days no kumaye.
Your boy got the full body do-rag.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you knocking off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter.
It hasn't been up for 2 minutes and it just fell down. Gone. So it's gonna stay where it always been at, because I'm not finna be stressing over that. Like, I just wasted so much command tape on that just for it to fall down.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you knocking off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna.
Alright, y'all, I'm about to head downstairs to throw this trash away.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattooed that ass.
Yeah.
She love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop.
What door handle went?
Now I gotta do extra work. Just to get in my room. Go upstairs. Just go downstairs.
So, guess who it is, y'all? It's y'all, this my 14K sister. Yeah, we about to go to the calf, so yeah.
Oh, I'm dropping coins, bro? Or that came out of your purse? I don't know. I'm not paying attention. Oh. Hey, bro, my uncle finally gonna get me a camera, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and get my old tripod, because I mean, that's like, what, 12 hours? Yeah.
It's kind of getting dark out here. It feel good outside. She cold though.
Yeah, I got my little puffer. jacket on because it's cold and I'm cold outside.
Bro, roll your window up, bro. Anyways, oh, this light, look, Michaela. Oh,
Y'all like my button in the light?
y'all like my butt in the light? Yeah.
Brush.
What's up, y'all? This my brothers.
Yo,
Yeah.
For YouTube, say what's up.
It's funny. That ain't that funny. All right, now when I blow up, y'all gonna be laughing.
Not when I blow up. Shut the fuck up.
If you blow up, I've always supported you.
Okay.
If you blow up,
If you blow up.
I've always supported
blow
you.
up.
Let me go and get this card out.
Everybody's not looking as cold as me. I just look
It
like
feels good. I just like the cold. I think that's just what it is. Oh, thank you. Can I get a to-go?
so wrong. No fruit punch. No ketchup. Like. Okay.
Bro, I can't see. I'm blind. Bro. Hold on, is it open? Nope, gotta go to the front. Let me catch it real quick. Ooh. This was good.
I'm gonna pass it to my nigga. Oh, shit. Now get it.
Bro. I didn't do a video of moving in the first time. I'll give y'all a tour around my room.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy.
That concludes this vlog. Yeah, today it wasn't really a long day. It kind of was because of my cleaning and packing and stuff. But other than that, check-in was pretty easy, and you know, I was in there for like 2 minutes and then I headed to my dorm. But other than that, getting my door fixed and going grocery shopping and stuff, pretty much was my day. So it was really kind of like an easy, you know, day or whatever. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video. And yeah.